Transferring used fuel from the pools to dry storage begins with a 15-foot-tall stainless steel alloy storage canister. The canister is placed inside a separate multi-walled lead and steel transfer cask that is used to transport the internal canister to the used fuel storage pad after it is loaded. Together, they are placed into a designated location at the bottom of the spent fuel pool, where workers load used fuel assemblies into the storage canister's internal grid structure. After the canister is filled with up to 32 fuel assemblies, a heavy stainless steel lid is lowered into the pool and secured to the top of the canister, which is then lifted out of the pool by an overhead crane. After the lid is welded to the top of the canister shell and moisture is removed from inside, the cask is moved to Diablo Canyon's independent spent fuel storage installation, often referred to in the industry as an ISFSI. Workers use a vertical cask transporter specifically designed to safely transfer used fuel to the ISFSI, which is equipped with seismic restraints and bumpers. Diablo Canyon uses Holtec International's High Storm 100SA system to transfer used fuel from the pools and place it into long-term dry storage. The entire process, from the pool to the pad, meets the Nuclear Regulatory Commission's site-specific criteria and was designed with seismic safety in mind. Before the transfer cask arrives at the ISFSI, workers prepare what is called an overpack, which encases the inner canister for long-term storage. The overpack is prepared by filling its inner and outer cylindrical steel shells with concrete. As the inner canister is lowered into the overpack, seismic restraints are used. The cask is then bolted shut with a steel lid and bolted to the pad. The ISFSI was designed to anchor each cask into the pad for strength and seismic safety. Each cask is fastened to a steel plate on the pad's surface with 16 bolts. A loaded Holtec cask is 11 feet in diameter, 20 feet high, and weighs about 360,000 pounds. It is engineered to withstand extreme natural hazards and seismic events. In addition to cask's strength, the ISFSI pad is located 300 feet above sea level, protecting it from a severe wave event as well as from rising sea levels that are a result of climate change. Diablo Canyon began the process of transferring used fuel to the ISFSI in 2009. The ISFSI operates under a site-specific license that is issued by the Nuclear Regulatory Commission and is separate from Diablo Canyon's operating licenses. PG&E and the Nuclear Regulatory Commission routinely conduct inspections of the casks to ensure that they are fully compliant with stringent guidelines and that they fulfill their safety function as required by the materials license.